If you're struggling to understand simple Lewis structures, I have a way to think about it that might help you. So, what I want you to think about is each of the atoms that are involved individually and their valence electrons first. So, let's start with CCl4. So, C has 4 valence electrons and each Cl has 7. So, we're going to draw the dot diagrams for each of those first. And then I want you to remember that a covalent compound is formed by the sharing of 2 electrons between the atoms. And so what you can think of is you can think of this chlorine giving one and the carbon giving one, and then all you do is connect the dots. There you go. And that is your Lewis structure for CCl4. It works for NH3 as well. We can even get it to work for a little more complicated structures that might have some multiple bonds. So for example, we can do CO2. So here we can set up our dot diagrams, and you can see it's very straightforward to see that we need to start with connections like this. But then we need to check out and see if we still have these single electrons that are alone, and they are. And so the way that we can solve this is by doing multiple bonds. So then this and this also connect, and this also connect. Now, this is a really ugly way to draw a Lewis structure, and it's very important that you understand that all 4 of these electrons are being shared between the 2 atoms, and so I would want you to redraw it this way and tidy it up. It does break down and not work if you're trying to do a Lewis structure for a polyatomic ion that has extra electrons coming in, or if you have a situation where you might need to draw a resonance structure, so a multiple bond that can be found in different locations. But again, for simple molecules, or if you're struggling to understand at the beginning, you're just trying to figure out what's going on, I think this is a solid method.